I'm Summer Huntington of Still Mace Vinyasa and Flow Shala, and today I'll be showing you a little sneak peek inside of my new program, Warrior Strength. I created Warrior Strength for my clients that live all around the world. I really wanted you to have a resource that allowed you to train with heavy clubs in a progressive way that really helps you get strong, functional, mobile, and live a pain-free life. Inside of Warrior Strength, you will find there's different types of videos. There are learn it round videos where I walk you through the different exercises like your side swing to order, your single-handed mills, and really break down the nuance of the movement for each and every exercise. I call those videos learn it videos, learn it round videos. Then there are videos where I've combined all of the learn it rounds together so that you can do them all together, and that is the next progression when you're learning new skills. The next type of video is a HIIT video where I'm running through a 90-second work, 30 seconds rest HIIT protocol with all exercises that you just learned in the learn it round back to back so that you can get that training effect and improve your conditioning and improve your stamina. Of course, I always recommend that you do 2 rounds of HIIT, if not 3, so that you get that conditioning effect and you can tap into flow state. And then every single workout is followed up with a Steel Mace Vinyasa flow that is specific to that workout. So for example, if you're training balance in the HIIT protocol with the heavy clubs, you'll be training balance in the Steel Mace Vinyasa flow. I've used this system for many, many years, 15 plus, with my clients, in my retreats, in my group studio, at Flow Shala, and in many different programs. But this is the first of its kind, the first ever heavy clubs program that I've released. It's called Warrior Strength. Check out the video in between this and the next round, and I hope you enjoy. In this video, I'll be performing a single-handed side swing into order position with a single-handed shoulder cast. This is a compound exercise which requires you to have great timing, coordination, and integrate the previous exercises. I'll start with my lighter club here, so you can square yourself up with the club directly between your 2 feet. See that your left hand is close to the knob. Find your side hip root and tap your club on the ground here. From here, initiate with a side swing. Side swing to order, hold. Notice I'm in this kind of side hip root pattern here. Initiate your shoulder cast, resisting rib flare, and pull your club back to that order position. 90-degree elbow, elbow marries to rib. Cast, side swing, catch, shoulder cast, back to that order position. And again, side swing, catch, order, pull it into back position, pull it back to that 90-degree arm. Cast, swing, catch, shoulder cast, order. Let your eye gaze follow your club. Keep the muzzle down on the downswing. You can try to keep a fixed angle at your arm if you're developing absolute strength. When and if you want to add a little speed, you can pull it over and back quick. And really think about driving your elbow under the club. And so you're trying to basically create more speed in that fulcrum moment. Use an intelligent grip here. That means do not white knuckle your club. So you can hit your landmarks first, performing it staccato. Eventually, over time, you can add a little speed. Let's switch sides. Square up with your club. Right hand closest to the ball. Find your side hip root. Side swing up. Side swing order, hold. Notice I'm slightly off-centered here, doing my side hip root. Shoulder cast over your right or left shoulder. Pull back to 90-degree bend in your arm. Elbow meets the rib. Cast with a straight elbow, swing, catch, shoulder cast, center, cast, swing, catch, shoulder cast, center, cast, swing, catch, order. This is a pullover crunch here. Resist that rib flare, knit your ribs in, keep that hollow body core, power breath. Eventually, if you want to add a little speed, go for it. We'll aim for about 8 to 10 reps in the learn it round, last one. And set your club down. Stand up nice and tall, reset your shoulders, chugging breath. Inhale. Pause, 4 count, exhale. Inhale. Pause and exhale.